Yo, what is up guys? It is of course Illicit back again with another banger, and as you can tell by the title of the video, we will be getting two Illicit grinders to go head to head, 1v1 box fights, first to 10. So not best out of 10, first to 10. First one to get 10 wins. Winner joins Illicit. These are two amazing grinders, both very well deserving. Please don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe if you're new. This is going to be fun, and let's see how they go. Alright guys, so here are the two players that will be going head to head to become a member of Illicit and be recruited as soon as they win. The rules are simple. It's 1v1, first to 10, not best out of 10, first to 10, first one to 10 wins, no win by 2. I wish you both good luck. Do you both understand the rules?
Yeah.
Yes.
And I will be commentating, so it's interesting for the people watching this video. So do you guys want me to go on a separate chat so you can't hear me, or stay in the same one?
I don't mind.
Yeah, I really don't care.
Alright, I'll stay in the same one, that way they can hear you. Good luck to both of you, and if you're watching this, don't forget to drop a like and a sub, and follow both of their Instagrams, and they are both on the screen right now. Alright, looks like I'm spectating Stealthy right now. Looks like they're both playing it pretty safe for the first round, which is understandable, so they can set the tone. We'll see what happens. Hopefully it gets more interesting. Okay boys, I'll go and separate chat. Even though they didn't mind, I decided to change chats because I feel like I'm being annoying commentating while they're trying to play. Both of these players are very well deserving players to make the team, and I've known them personally for a very long time, so I'm rooting for both of them and there's no bias. Stealthy has gotten a lot of big hits, and that is all of... Oh, use it as a quick little exploit. The health is roughly even, but Stealthy has a 50 HP boost. Comment down below right now, no cheating, who you think is going to win, and what the score will be. Okay, that's a good hit. Nice play by Stealthy. Static kinda sold himself on that game. And the score is 1-0. Stealthy definitely looks a lot more confident than he was last round, and I think that win is what did it. Oh, Static is coming in top 2, but it doesn't pay off for him. Stealthy, even though it's only 2 out of 10 wins, Stealthy is, I think he's feeling confident, and I think he's feeling like he's got a pretty comfortable lead. And Static obviously wants it bad, and we'll see if he chooses the same strategy to push hard, which either can go very well or very bad, or if he decides to lay back a little bit, because Static is a very good player to push or lay back. He can do either way. My suggestion to Static would be just to hold back a lot more than he is, because 2 wins is not as much as what you think it is, but everyone's different. Oh, that's a tough hit. Stealthy is looking in control. That could have gone badly for Stealthy and was very risky, but it's looking like another clean sweep for Stealthy. Yes, sir. Things aren't looking too good for Static at the moment, but the game is still very early, and as soon as Static gets some momentum, the whole game can change. Also, if you want to participate in one of these games for a chance to join, don't forget to smash the like button, follow our Instagram and DM us if this video. DMing us shows us that you're interested in doing it, and if this video gets 75 likes, we will do a part 2 with 2 completely new grinders, which could be you. Static is looking a little bit more comfortable for this one, and don't forget, Static loves to play with viewers, so maybe me watching him could help him out a lot. He's looking confident. That was a good play by Stealthy. They're both playing very well. That's a good little exchange for them both. Definitely better for Static. Good save. Unlucky 30. First time commentating, by the way, so I'm sorry if it's terrible, but I'm just trying to keep it going. And right now there's not much to be said. I'm going to stop talking while they have this intense little battle, because it's getting interesting and it's getting intense real fast. Stealthy missed a lot of good opportunities for a clip, but he got a nice little tag at the end of, which is good for him. Stealthy now has no builds left. I'm not sure if Static knows that, and I'm not sure how many builds Static has left, but it doesn't look like much. I think both of them are out of builds. Neither of them are building. Oh, bad luck for Stealthy. That was a good little shot. Oh, that is a clutch shot by Stealthy. Static could not be happy. Stealthy just 200'd him, and he had 50 HP. That is a clutch and a half. And he had no mats. Static is not happy. At this point in time, Stealthy, I don't expect anything but aggression from Stealthy. I've seen Static do these peaks, and they definitely can work. We'll see if they work for him today. That is a bad exchange for Static. Good edits by Static. Will he finish it? Will he get the clip? No, he won't. I'm not sure if he's trying to go for clips or playing smart, but now is not the time for clips. And he choked it. 5-0 Stealthy's way. Now that's been 5 matches, I will get Static to kill Stealthy, and it won't count, but it's so it gets spectator. So we can see what Static plays like too. Alright guys, this round Static gets to kill Stealthy, so Static gets spectator for the next 5 rounds. So,
I'm not gonna get it for the next 5 rounds.
Oh yeah, because it goes to the person who killed, but at least you get a chance, and that round doesn't count. Good luck to you both. Just stay calm and may the best player win. It's still 5-0.
I'm playing so bad, holy.
You're good, bro, just get it together. Good luck. See Static? Static loves to flex. He's the ultimate flexer. Look at him, you can hear me. No, you can't. Alright. Now we can see the point of view of each of these players compared to what we were watching before. Static chokes another shot, and that is 6-0. That can't be good for Static. This is his time. That was a closer match. He just needs to hit those shots and he will be alright. This is not what I expected. I thought it would be a little bit closer, but like I said, things can change very quickly. Sky and Limit went at it the other day. See, now he's playing passive and we'll see if it pays off for him. Sky and Limit went at it. Sky had a huge lead and Limit brought it right back. Still lost, but brought it right back. Playing passive, I will say. Oh, that is tough. Static cannot be happy at this point in time. That is another 200 straight to the head after Static getting a 100 tag on Stealthy. This is not good for Static. Look, it's looking like Stealthy could be having Illicit in his name by the end of today. Static, I'm calling exploit. I think Static will win this match. That's another 30 for Static. That is unlucky. No. I'm feeling bad for Static. He has not got to be in a good headspace right now, and he needs to stop cutting his shots and hit his shots, which is what Stealthy is doing, which is why he's dominating right now. Both of these plays are very good, but Stealthy has shown up today. We'll see what happens. That is an even tag. Cool. Static knows that this is his chance. But now it's time for Static to heal up, and if he doesn't, he will pay for it. Maybe not. Maybe this is how it works. He at least needs to pop his fish. Or his minis and his fish, which could work in a huge advantage right now. Static is looking good for this round. Static knows it's his time to push, which is exactly what he's doing. Comment down below whose skin combo you prefer out of the two. I'm expecting a little edit by Static. That is a clutch shot by Stealthy. Static is not having a good game today. That is very unfortunate. 160, I believe it was, straight to the head through the exploit. He knew exactly what was coming. Let's see if Static will get 10-0'd or if he will bring it right back. Stealthy is very comfortable right now, you can see with the way he's playing. And despite... Oh no. Okay, and that is it, ladies and gentlemen. It was 10-0. Despite the score being 10-0, and clearly Static isn't too happy. Despite the score being 10-0, this was an incredible matchup, and they both played great. Stealthy came out on top. He showed his dominance the whole time, and Static came out a little short, but also showed his skills throughout the match and just couldn't pull it through. Are you there, Static and Stealthy?
Yeah, I'm there.
Thank you guys for competing. That was a really good little match to watch. Even though it was 10-0, Static, you played very well, and you just got a little unfortunate sometimes. Very well done for you, Stealthy. You played really well and had a lot of good plays, bro. Alright guys, so to finish the video, just a reminder of the like goal: 75 likes for part 2 of this exact video, but with 2 new grinders, and 50 likes for part 2, but with Static and Stealthy going at it round 2, but in build fights, which is Static's preferred area of Fortnite, and he just got forced into box fights, which is not his preferred area, because that's what the challenge is. So everyone, please go support them. They are both insane players, and don't bring them down whatsoever. Thank you. Peace out.
Want to grow? The calcium in milk helps bones grow.
Okie dokie.